I am here at the town hall in New York City to see my poster. It is exactly 10 days to go. 10 days to go, I'll be performing here with some of my friends from The Voice Season 26 and of course the talented musicians around New York. Trivia for you guys. Distance between Times Square to the town hall is just 2 minutes walk. It's in 43rd Street and it's also 2 minutes walk from the Jollibee Times Square. Yeah, so that's for you and I'll see you soon here in my concert.
Magandang araw po sa inyo at welcome back dito sa ating panibagong video. At ito na po yung last call ng concert ni Sofronio Vasquez doon sa Town Hall, New York sa July 19 dahil mga kapolitika, ilang seats na nga lang po ang natitira dito sa kanyang live performance at totally masosold out na ito dito sa website ng Ticketmaster. At ito yung ating pag-uusapan para sa video ito. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. The stage is ready. Don't miss your last chance to join Sofronio at his last concert in the East Coast. Experience the thrill of seeing Sofronio Vasquez perform alongside incredible special guests from The Voice. This is not just another event. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to enjoy a fantastic event. July 19, 2025, 7:30 p.m. Town Hall, New York City, 123 West 43rd Street, between 6th Avenue and Broadway. At yun po ang detalye ng magiging concert ni Sofronio dito sa Town Hall sa New York. So makikita rin po sa website ng Ticketmaster.com na few seats left na lang yung kanyang available doon sa kanyang live performance sa Town Hall sa New York. Okay? So, excited rin po ang mga ibang netizen na kung saan ay a-attend doon sa nasabing event dito sa East Coast. And we are hoping mga kapolitika na magkakaroon ng live video yung kanyang concert doon sa Town Hall, New York para ma-update ko rin po kayo dito sa ating YouTube channel. Okay? At the same time, sana ito ay level up na yung production para promotion na rin para sa mga susunod na concert ni Sofronio Vasquez. Kayo po ba ay excited mga kapolitika? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.